Hi guys, to receive this 5-inch pendant light for weapon purposes, I've got everything here. This is the glass. It's really nice. Love it. It has like a farmhouse cell, which is nice. This is the fixed to the wall, and these are the tubes. Okay, from pendant. And here we got the support and the light. Okay. And in here we've got the instructions. Okay, it's really nice. You can put them upon your bedroom, your dining room, wherever you want. Okay, so let's go and sell it. So as you can see, now it's ready. It looks really nice. It's very classy. I like what the gold finish it has. I like how it looks, the bulb inside of it. It's, as you can see, it's really easy to install, and I would really recommend it. See ya!